Kelly Nash. Today is Tuesday, November 29th, and this is what's happening in the ACC now. North Carolina may be without leading scorer Harrison Barnes on Wednesday night as they host number 7 Wisconsin in the Big Ten ACC Challenge. The sophomore rolled his ankle in Saturday night's loss to UNLV and was held out of practice on Monday. The 2011 All-ACC football teams were announced on Monday. Virginia Tech running back David Wilson was the only unanimous selection on the first-team offense. Wilson led the conference with an average of nearly 133 yards per game on the ground. Taking a look at the rest of the first-team offense, North Carolina standout freshman Giovanni Bernard was the other running back selected, while Clemson freshman Sammy Watkins and Wake Forest star Chris Givens were selected as the receivers. No surprise that Boston College linebacker Luke Kuechly was the only unanimous selection on the defensive side of the ball. The junior currently leads the nation with 191 total tackles and became the leading tackler in ACC history this season. Highlighting the rest of the first-team defense were the North Carolina Tar Heels and the Virginia Cavaliers, who each had 2 players selected. NC State cornerback David Amerson was also selected to the first-team defense. Amerson leads the nation with 11 interceptions. More awards to hand out. Clemson's Sammy Watkins received ACC Rookie of the Year honors today. The Tigers star receiver set ACC freshman records in receptions, receiving yards, and touchdowns this season. Wake Forest cornerback Morel Noel was awarded the ACC Defensive Rookie of the Year, and Virginia head coach Mike London, whose Cavaliers doubled last year's win total, was named ACC Coach of the Year. Fans, the ACC Championship is only days away, and today we continue our ACC Championship flashback series. Here's Kyle Montgomery.
The 2006 ACC Championship game featured Georgia Tech against Wake Forest. In a game where no touchdowns were scored, ACC Rookie of the Year Riley Skinner led the Demon Deacs on a final drive that culminated in a Sam Swank game-winning field goal, earning Wake Forest its first ACC championship since 1970. Remember, the ACC Digital Network has you covered all the way up to kickoff of December 3rd's ACC Championship game with in-depth analysis, flashbacks, and of course, previews of Clemson and Virginia Tech from our analysts, Dorsey Levens and Riley Skinner. That's all week exclusively on the ACCDN.com.